Hey, welcome everyone. Today on the zombie apocalypse do-it-yourself alternative energy, we're going to go over how to make a biogas digester or a biogas generator. This is a really quick, easy build. I was really excited to make this one. So what we've got here is 3 different barrels. We got 2 55-gallon barrels and then a third barrel that's smaller. This happens to be out of a water softening system. Cut up a 10-foot piece of PVC pipe, 3 inches. The first one is 46 inches high. That is the mouth of the dragon or the feed tube. We're going to insert compost or waste inside of it. It's going to drop to the bottom and discharge where the notch is cut out of it. On pipe B, what we have here is a shorter pipe, and it's going to catch the effluent, or the liquid is going to be forced up out of the center of the digestive barrel. Lipids will be at the top and other solids will be at the bottom, and more of a clear liquid will be through the center. That will be forced up and out on the slurry pipe and caught inside of a bucket. This is fantastic fertilizer we can do a number of different things with. Okay, so in the top of the digester, we bored 2 4-inch holes in here. We have 3-inch bulkheads. Okay, these will be inserted just like this, and we'll take some rubbing alcohol or soap, put in here as a lubricant, and slide in the 3-inch PVC pipes. Okay, here I took 2 different pneumatic connectors, and I drilled a hole and poked the first connector up through the bottom, taped it, and put the coupler on there. We'll put a ball valve on there, and then here I have an old compressor hose that I'll just put this right here, and the end of this hose will go to barrel 2. Okay, barrel 2, I cut a hole just a little bit larger than the barrel 3. Barrel 3 will get tipped upside down and inserted into here. Okay, and on the top of that, we'll put another set of brass couplers and a bleed off valve so we can use the gas. The hose from the digester will come over and down inside of here and catch inside of the inverted barrel. Okay, so everything's assembled here. I've got the compost in and added about an equal amount of water. There's water about to the second line there. The water is in the secondary tank, the pressurized tank, and all the hoses are attached. So we'll go ahead and let this sit for a few days and ferment and see what kind of gases that we got off, and I'll get back to you with an update. I've got links down below to some of the parts and accessories, tools that I've used in this project. Be sure to check out my website. There's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. Subscribe to the channel, that'd be fantastic. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Okay? Thanks again for watching. You guys have a fantastic day, and feel free to ask questions or post comments.